It's time to make the fourth star. We need construction paper, LED light, string, hole puncher, pencil and eraser, ruler, scissors, glue, and toothpick. To start with, we need to cut out a square from the construction paper. Fold it just like this. Now, fold it like this. Now cut it using a ruler. Just like this. Now unfold it and it becomes into a square. Now fold it like this. To the middle. Just like this. Now glue one of these sides and only add a little bit of glue. Just like this. Make sure it does not touch this. Now make a 3 centimeter marking. Mark it where the line is. Draw lines to the marking like this. Make sure you do it on both sides. So like this and like this. Just like this. Now cut it here. It's time to make 1 centimeter markings. First, make one in the middle. Now 1 centimeter here. Do the same with here and here. Join the dots like this. Make sure they are 1 centimeter lines. Cut it like this. Just like this. Now fold the cut ends. Like this. Cut one of these flaps off on this whole side. See? So this one you have to cut off and this one. Be punching some holes in this triangle so light comes out. Just like this. Now we need to make 4 more of these. I will make and show. I have made all 4 of them, see? Now we have 5. Now it's time to glue these together using glue. To make the star, take 2 of these and apply a little bit of glue here. And then take the other one and see this part? Where the glue is, you have to stick it there. Just like this. I will do the rest and show. I have glued all of them, see? Just like this. Let it dry. Meanwhile, we have to cut 2 small squares out using the extra. Just like this. Now we will be gluing these squares these ends of this right here and dried punch holes where you put the squares. Just like this. Next, take 2 toothpicks and break the ends off. Just like this. Cut 2 pieces of string and double knot them to the toothpick. Make sure it's in the middle. And remember, double knot them. Just like this. Make the other one also. I have already made it. See? Put the thread inside and pull it out from the outside. See? Like this. Do the same with the other side. Just like this. Cut this portion off. Just like this. Our star is done. Our star is ready. Just like this. This is another one that I made. It's a yellow one. Cute.